Hey, it's Angela with Angela's Edge again. Hey, I got me a new knife a few weeks ago. I was at the Tractor Supply, and they had them a few times. Well, they've had them. They were there a few weeks before that, and I didn't buy it because I usually don't buy traditional knives. But this was the last one there, and it was $7.49. And usually it says it's usually $24. So I ended up buying it. Like I said, I only got, I think, two traditionals. This one, a buck canoe, and I was a gift, and then this one I had for years. So I only really got two traditional knives. So I usually don't buy the traditional style knives, slip joints. So it was there. I wish I would have bought, like, they had other ones there in previous weeks. They had a black one, but I didn't. So, but I seen this was the last one, so I ended up buying it. So I already unboxed it. Let's take a look at it. Take a real close look at it. All right. So here's the Browning slip joint. Just one blade. Usually, I think traditionals. Well, at least the two I have. Usually have two blades. But this one, just one blade. No lock or anything. Let's see, come down here. So it's supposed to have, I think this is sheep or horn. I'll look it up. I'll show you in a second. I'll pop over there right now, actually. Let's show you. So I of course, this is on Amazon. There's only two of them left right now. So, but this is what it is. So they want $21 on Amazon for it. Oh, that's interesting. It has 8CR 13. So I guess that's pretty good. I mean, that's the entry level steel, but for a little knife like this, it's probably fine. Sheep horns handle, stainless bolsters, and made in China. So, but there's only two left on Amazon. But I got this at Tractor Supply. What's this here? Oh, you can buy a. What is this? Oh, speed, something different. All right. Anyways, go back to here. So there's only two ratings on it. Four ratings, and they were both pretty good. They both give one 5-star. Well, I don't know how many. They're both good. Both 1.5 and 1.4. So this is what it's on Amazon for, $21. So there you go. Let me go back to my other screen and get you back to here. My scene. All right. So there's the knife. Let's do a count. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 and 3/4 inches long. Let's go with the weight. It's probably real light. But here we'll put the scale on it. Turn it on, and it is 0 right now. And it's 2.25 ounces. Get a. Here's a. So like I said, it's 5. Oh, I must have miscounted. I thought I measured this at 6 inches. Let's see. Come over here. 6 inches. So it's a little over 6 inches. I must have miscounted. How did I miscount that? Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.5 inches. All right. There's a $5 bill you can compare it to. It's just a little longer than a $5 bill. About a ½ inch longer than a $5 bill. So there's the size. Let's see how sharp it is. Never sharpened it or anything. I got some phone book paper. I don't expect it to cut through this, but I'll try it. Usually it's a good indication how sharp something is. Yeah, it's It's not sharp. So I mean, it's sharp. It's just not razor sharp. It just won't bite them. It won't bite into the phone book paper. It has a hard time. It'd probably bite into, I don't know, magazine. Well, here, the cover of the phone. It'd probably cut the cardboard of the phone paper. I mean, it's the thicker the paper, the easier it is for a knife to cut. So that's why everybody goes with the phone book paper, because it's real thin and flimsy. So I mean, it cuts through it would cut through cardboard and stuff probably pretty easy. So, but I picked it up honestly because it was $7.49. But if you're into this style knife, it would have been a superb deal. So it's a slip joint. There's what it looks like closed. That's why I thought, man, in the package, it looked like the blade was going to protrude out over the end of the bolster, but it sure don't. There's no blade. The blade don't come out further. Just not a bad looking knife. It's finished all right. Slip joint. Open and close. Not bad. Here's a ruler. I already measured it, but this thing. Here, go lay it back down so you can see it. What was I going to show? Like I said, I only got two. I'll compare it with the Buck Canoe, and it's a very comparable size. But of course, the Buck Canoe has two blades. I think this is a $30 knife. The Buck Canoe too. I think so. Well, technically, this one would be a $30 knife too, if you would paid retail for it or it wasn't on clearance. Here's the other one I got. I had this for years. It's a Schrade, but it's an old-fashioned Schrade. There's the three traditional knives I got. Not a lot. So there you go. There's some size comparisons. Very, very large traditional. I guess this would be like this. So how long is the blade? The blade's almost. Let me get rid of these ones so you don't. Crap. Thing's falling down over here. Alright, so it looks like it's a 3-inch, 1, 2, 3. It's a 3-inch blade. I mean, let's see, a normal everyday carry blade is like a 3-inch blade. Well, here's something to compare it against. More tactical everyday carry, a 3-inch blade is that one's a little bigger than 3-inch, but there's a CRKT. That's what I mostly have. I mostly have these style knives, so it's hard for me. Well, here's that's bigger. Yeah. All right. Well, here's try. This is totally different, but since we're manufacturers like Browning gun manufacturers are doing their own little offshoots of knives. So there's a Remington technical blade. So there you go. There's a Remington. I think I got a Tractor Supply too. Anyways, so there's my slip joints. And remember, if you like videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. This is, basically, if you're watching, I unbox knives, sharpen knives, and sometimes I do a little bit of electronics, unbox electronics, and do a little review and see how it works. All right. See you later. Bye.